Welcome. This video is a step-by-step guide on using the Mulza Secure Alert System admin panel, designed specifically for security companies in Pietermaritzburg and surrounding areas. We'll show you how to effectively manage client alerts, accounts, and gain situational awareness to enhance your team's response. First, let's log in. Navigate to security.mulza.co.za and enter the admin credentials provided to you. Upon logging in, you'll land on the Live Alerts page. This is your central hub for all incoming panic alerts from your clients. Looking at the alerts page, you'll see a list. Each alert clearly displays the client's name, their registered address, this is the static address on file, and the exact date and time the alert was triggered. If the GPS feature is enabled on the client's app when they trigger the panic, you'll see a GPS location button next to the alert. Clicking this opens a map showing their precise location when the alert was sent. This is crucial for locating clients who may not be at their registered address. For more comprehensive information on a specific alert, click the Details button associated with it. Here you'll find the client's ID, the unique notification ID for the specific alert, their contact details, a map showing their registered account address, and if GPS was available, a second map showing their location when the panic was pressed. Managing the alert status is vital for team coordination. By default, new alerts are marked as pending. After contacting the client or assessing the situation, you can update the status right here. Set it to confirmed if you verify a real emergency or cannot reach the client, indicating a response is required. If the client confirms it was an accidental activation, set it to false alarm. This informs your entire team that the alert has been acknowledged and requires no further action. Next, let's explore the Accounts page. Navigate there using the menu. This is where you manage all your client information. You can easily find specific clients using the search bars at the top. Filter by client ID, name, or address. To add a new client, click the Add User button. You'll fill in the client's details. Notice the search address feature. As you type an address, it suggests verified addresses and automatically populates the details, including coordinates, ensuring accuracy for the map features. Once done, save the new client. To modify an existing client's information, perhaps update a phone number or address, simply find the client in the list, click Edit, make the necessary changes, and save. If a client discontinues service, you can remove their account. Select the client and click Delete. Crucially, deleting an account will immediately deactivate their client app. They will no longer be able to send alerts through the system. Be sure to confirm this action. Now let's look at the Map page. Click on the Map tab in the navigation. This page provides a geographical overview of your entire client base. Each pin represents a client's registered address. This gives you instant spatial awareness of your service area. Similar to the Alerts page, when an alert is active for a client, you can interact with their pin on the map. Clicking the pin shows key alert information, like the client's name and address. And just like on the alerts page, you can click Details directly from the map pop-up to access the full advanced alert information screen we saw earlier. And that's a walkthrough of the core features of the Mulza Secure Alert System Admin Panel. As you can see, it provides a powerful, centralized platform to manage alerts efficiently, keep client data organized, and improve your team's coordination for faster, more informed responses in the Pietermaritzburg area. Remember, this works seamlessly with the user-friendly client app, giving your clients instant peace of mind with a dedicated panic button. Want to see it in action yourself? Explore both the client and admin apps on our interactive live demo platform at security.mulza.co.za. Need a professional online presence? Mulza IT Solutions also specializes in website design and development. Ask us about bundling the secure alert system with a custom website for a comprehensive monthly package. Ready to enhance your security services? Contact Mulza IT Solutions today for pricing details and a personalized consultation. Thanks for watching.